I found out that may times na I stop breathing pag natutulog ako. And yung pinakamatagal na hindi ako humihinga pag natutulog, 28 seconds. Hey guys, it's me again, Tristine, and welcome back to another vlog. Today's vlog is going to be about why I stayed sa the Medical City Clark 2 weeks ago. I know some of you guys are wondering, and it's actually because I have a sleep problem. Ang problema ko is since 16 years old ako, malakas na ako maghilik. And for someone na nag-start so young, tapos hindi naman ako overweight, never naman ako nag-overweight talaga, that is for me quite alarming. So it's actually great that I found out na si the Medical City Clark meron siyang sleep lab, and so I decided to get myself checked. Ang tawag doon, polysomnography. Ano ba talaga yung problema? Meron ba akong problema sa breathing? Or meron ba akong problema sa heart? Bakit kaya ang lakas kong maghilik? I-share ko sa inyo yung journey ko from the day ng consultations. You need to get a referral muna from a doctor. So, nagpa-consult ako kay Dr. Francis Chan. He is an ENT, and then June 30, nagpa-admit na ako. I stayed there overnight. Ang dami kong na-find out. Iba pala talaga kapag documented yung sleep mo. I found out that may times na I stop breathing pag natutulog ako. And yung pinakamatagal na hindi ako humihinga pag natutulog, 28 seconds. Panoorin niyo muna to, and then let's talk about the results later. Queen-size bed. They also have a television, but I was told that this television is not for leisure. Yan lang siya. Ito lang yung naka-play para sa deep sleep. Yung diffuser, para relaxing talaga. And the couch. Tapos, this is where I could wash up later before I sleep. Pwede ko mabuksan itong mga to? Ah, pwede. Ay, hindi pwede. May hanger. So, next step is, I need to fill out ito, health declaration and some forms. And I need to eat real quick lang. Kasi, pag daw nakanak na sa akin yung machine, hindi na ako pwedeng kumain. So, buti na lang, katapat lang yung Family Mart, not sponsored. Love, anong feeling na, matutulog ka, wala ako?
Anong ko dyan, miss kita?
Plastic mo ha. Porque on cam ha. Bye, love.
Bye, love you.
So, we're waiting for the sleep technician yata yung tawag sa kanila. Mamaya pa yata sa fast 8 darating. I'm going to show you guys what I packed based on the guidelines that they sent me. So, you have to go on with your day as usual, but don't do anything extreme. Don't work out ng sobra-sobra, and then be active, but not too much, and then you're not allowed to take caffeine na 6 hours before your bedtime. And they highly suggest that I bring things to help me fall asleep, like books, ganyan. I'm allowed naman daw to watch Netflix kasi actually nag-download ako ng a few episodes kanina ng mga shows na gusto ko, like the politician Gilmore Girls becoming Team Michelle Obama. This is my current fate. I've mentioned this in my Q&A vlog that I really like this book. Hindi ko pa siya tapos basahin kasi inuulit ko lang siya. And quite frankly, I've been doing meditation every morning for a few days na, like 10 days na. So hindi ko muna ito nababasa ng morning. This is the Coffee Bean Planner, and as we all know, walang kwenta yung mga planner ngayong 2020. So mine, I turned it into a journal. Is kakabigay lang sa akin ni You Glow Babe. Today ko siya plan na start it. Then, ayan, ito siya. Of course, I've also packed sleepwear. This is from Hope Sleepwear sa ano siya, Laurent Lifestyle Store. So it's really, really cute and comfy. My clothes for tomorrow morning, toiletries, my makeup kit. Ito siya ipapakita ngayon for another vlog na lang if you guys want. Charger, face towel, mga pang shoot. Yan lang. Yes. Okay. So, andyan na daw yung mga sleep technician. In a while, they're going to connect me na to that machine. And yun, hopefully makatulog ako. It's my first night na matutulog na hindi ko kasama si Aiza at si Tala. So, yeah, good luck to me.
Ako po si Kai ng SleepScienzzz. So kami po yung gagawa ng sleep test nyo tonight. So tatlo kami gagawa. Nandiyan po si Edmond and si Chris sa control room. So later mag-set up po sila. And then anything na mangyayari po sa inyo dito, makikita po namin kahit hindi kami physically nandito, nahandun po kami sa control room dahil lalagay po tayo dito banda ng camera. Magsiset up pa po tayo, that will take mga 30 to 40 minutes. Then, yung cooking po natin, another 40 to 50 minutes po yun. Okay? Kung hindi pa po kayo inaantok, bibigyan po namin kayo ng at least mga 30 minutes para makatulog po. Pwede kayo magbasa-basa muna. Magda-lights off po tayo kapag okay na po kayo. Aalis lang po natin lahat ng mga cellphone. Magkakaroon po kasi ng interference dun sa mga ilalagay naming leads sa inyo.
So bawal ang cellphone?
Bawal po ang cellphone, yes.
Airplane mode, pwede?
Yes, pwede rin naman po.
What about yung sa restroom pag I wanna pee? Sabi nila may mag-a-assist naman.
Yes, ako po yung mag-a-assist sa inyo. Wala pong problema. Maglalagay po tayo 14 leads sa ulo. Okay po. Tapos 5 po sa chest, 4 sa legs, 2 sa nose.
2 sa nose?
2 sa nose
But it's
po.
not gonna be painful?
Hindi naman ma'am. Non-invasive naman po lahat. So, ibig sabihin, hindi naman papasok talaga sa katawan. So, first 2 hours, ang gagawin po namin, titingnan lang po natin kung nagkakaroon ba talaga kayo ng respiratory disturbances, yung pagtigil ng paghinga, pagbabaw ng
That's
paghinga.
the first 2 hours?
First 2 hours, kung nagkakaroon kayo ng bradycardia, tachycardia, yung mga ganun po. So, kapag nakita po namin at doon po sa range, talagang nag-positive kayo, after 2 hours, may tatanggalin lang kami sa nose nyo, then papalitan po namin ng CPAP machine. So, ang mangyayari po doon sa CPAP is open yung airway nyo, kasi nga po nagko-close, that's why nagkakaroon kayo ng snoring. In the event naman po mag-negative kayo, wala po kami ilalagay na positive pressure. Tutuloy lang po natin yung test. Kung diagnostic po, mas tapos siguro yan ng 2 or 3 a.m. Pero kapag nag-split tayo, siguro po mga 5-6 a.m. Depende po kung gaano ka-severe yung inyong case.
Oh, so kung may CPAP hanggang 6 a.m.
Mga ganun ma'am, 5 or 6 a.m.
Kung walang CPAP, good na tayo ng 3 a.m.
Mga ganun po.
These are the wires na ginagamit natin for the sleep study.
All in all, that's 30 plus, no?
31 wires.
Nakalagay na lahat.
Yes ma'am.
Eto, ganito talaga to. Meron talaga
Yes po.
Pusle. Okay, time check. It's already 11 p.m. and they're finally done. Naikapit sa akin lahat ng dapat ikapit. Magla-lights off na kami and then I will sleep na kasi 11 p.m. talaga yung bedtime ko. And yun, sila naman, the whole time, they're just on the next room and naka-monitor sila. kasi merong 31 wires connected to me. But believe me, hindi ako nahirapang matulog. Actually, nagulat the people from SleepScienzzz na 10 minutes pa lang after lights off, I fell asleep na. Kasi yun, nakikita nila yun sa machine eh, kung tulog na talaga ako, even kung nananaginip ako. Actually, nanaginip daw ako 4 times. So yun, nakakatuwa lang malaman kahit I don't have a memory of it. Quality of my sleep, kahit ilang hours lang siya, kasi I woke up ng 5 a.m. I only slept for about 5 hours, but the quality of my sleep was really good. Compared to getting 7 or 8 hours of sleep, tapos parang pagising mo, it's still not enough. And it's because of the machine that they connected to me. Kung nakita nyo, bandang 2 a.m., meron silang kinonect na machine sa akin kasi nag-positive ako sa sleep apnea. It's when you stop breathing pag natutulog ka, kapag ganun pala, nahihirapan yung heart mo. So, in the long run, it's going to damage or hurt your heart. So, ang pinaka-solusyon daw talaga doon is to get CPAP. What it does is, nagbibigay siya ng pressure para i-open yung airway mo. In the whole Philippines, meron lang 50 na sleep doctors. And kailangan, sleep doctor talaga yung mag-i-interpret ng polysomnography test. I might actually go see a doctor para malaman ko kung ano ba yung next steps. Kasi it's not just CPAP machine eh. Kasama na dun yung diet, yung lifestyle. I would like to thank all the staff of the Medical City Clark, especially yung sa marketing and sa sleep lab. Also, of course, sa SleepScienzzz, napakabait yung lahat. Si Ma'am Kai, si Sir Chris, and si Sir Edmond. Thank you so much for taking care of me. Hindi ako nahirapan. I did not feel uncomfortable. Even the room where I stayed, para ka lang nasa kwarto, it's very relaxing. I recommend that you guys get a sleep test then. This will improve the quality of your sleep, and of course, it will also take good care of your heart problems like paghilik, or nahirapan kayong huminga, or yung minsan nagigising kayo na para daw kayong chinuchoke, or yung iba naman yung parang restless leg syndrome yung tawag nila doon. Yung parang nakukulog sila sa kama, gano'n na feeling. Ito yung website ni SleepScienzzz and also their contact details. Let me guys know if you have any more questions in the comment section and I will do my best to get back to you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!